Hey everybody, how's it going? In this video, we're going to be learning about something very basic, but yet very important, and it's printing. So printing is the action that you take to show the results of your work. So let's say, for example, that you want to calculate 3 plus 4, okay? If you put 3 plus 4 like that, nothing's going to happen, right? You won't see the results of 3 plus 4. But in order to see the results of 3 plus 4, you do something like this. You add the word print and before it, and you put something called a parentheses. The parentheses are these little bad boys right here. These are called parentheses. Okay? So, and then you run, and you can see in the console right here that it shows the results of 3 plus 4. So that is why you would want to use print. And that is what a print is. It basically is something in Python that shows you the results of whatever it is that you're doing onto the console. The console is the little box right here in the bottom right corner, and that is it. Okay, but let's say, for example, you want to print something more meaningful, like, for example, your name. You would do something like this. So write print and the parentheses, but this time, because you're not writing numbers, you're writing a word or a name, you do this. Okay, put quotation marks, and in between it, you write your name. And if you look on the right hand side, Mora codes. So that is how you print for a word, right? Letters. The letters in Python are called strings. They're not called words, they're not called alphabet, they're just called strings. Okay?